Assalamu alaikum. In this question, we have been asked that if x squared plus y squared is equal to 25 and x minus y is equal to 3, we need to find out x plus y. To solve such system equation, we usually take the approach that we use linear equation to find the value of x and y. What I mean by this, I will show you in this example. But before that one, it's necessary that we name these equation like the quadratic equation, that is x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. Let it be equation 1. Then we have x minus y is equal to 3. Let it name it equation 2. And then we need to find x plus r and let it equation r, that is required equation. As I told you that we usually use this linear equation. What I mean by this, that I will isolate one of these variables, either x or y. I will go for the one whose coefficient is 1. In this linear equation, we both have x and y having a coefficient of 1. So usually I will go for x is, y is negative. What I mean, just I have to isolate this x. So this equation 2 implies that x, as I'm about to isolate x, that is why I will have to add y to both sides of this equation, and this will get cancelled with this one, and we will come up with x is equal to, writing it in more proper way, first variable, so I will get y plus 3. Now that as I have isolated x, I will substitute x value into this equation 1, quadratic equation. That will give us our result as equation 1 is like y plus 3 whole square plus y squared is equal to 25. Now we know the identity that a plus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Now so here a is the first term, b is the second term. Similarly, I will have to treat y as a and 3 as b. So I can expand this, what's inside the parenthesis, like y squared plus 3 squared plus 2 times y times 3 plus y squared is equal to 20. Now I will write the like elements together, like y squared and this y squared, then comes for this one, 2 times 3 gives us 6, y plus 3 squared is equal to 9, this equal to 25. So this will result us 2y squared plus 6y, and now we have to make it standard. In other words, we have to make this side 0. In order to do so, I will subtract 25 from both sides. So this will result us 2y squared plus y, and this will give us minus 16 is equal to 0. Now I can take 2 common from all of these elements, and it will give us y squared plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Dividing 2 on both sides, 2 here and also dividing 2 here. This will cancel with this one, and I will come up with y squared plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now I want to tell you something, that let me write the standard quadratic equation, that is a x squared plus b x plus c is equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0, and its solution is x is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4 times a times c divided by 2a. So we see that this a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is a constant. So I will use this coefficient into this equation. So I will come up with y is equal to minus 3, as b is the coefficient of x, so 3 is the coefficient of y, plus minus 3 squared minus 4, this is equal to 1, times c, that is minus 8, divided by 2 times 1. So this gives us minus 3 plus minus 3 squared is equal to 9, and minus into minus will give us plus 4 times 8 give us 32, divided by 2 is equal to minus 3 plus minus, and this is equal to 41 divided by 2, and this y is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 41 is equal to 6.4. But remember, divide by 2, that's 41 square root, this is approximately equal to 6.4. Alright, so now I will get two values for y, one with this addition and second one with this subtraction. So y sub 1 minus 3 plus 6.4 divided by 2 will give us 3.4 divided by 2, and this will give us 1.7. So y sub 1 with this addition having this value. Now I will find y sub 2, and now it will be minus 3 minus 6.4 with this subtraction sign, and this will give us minus 9.4 divided by 2, and this is equal to minus 4.7. So we came to know that y has two values. Similarly, when y has two values, x will also have two values, and to find out those values of x, we will use this equation of x is equal to y plus 3, and for this y we have to substitute these y's values. Alright, so let me do that. So as x is equal to y plus 3, so x is equal to, now for this y it will become x sub 1 and 1.7 plus 3, and it will give us 4.7. Alright, so we got this point that when that y is equal to 1.7 when x is equal to 4.7. So this is one of the pair of points, 1.7. And now for this y we will get x sub 2, and it has for this equation, and we have y is equal to minus 4.7 plus 3, and this will give us minus 1.7. So y has a value of minus 4.7 when x is equal to minus 1.7. So we got another pair of points. So x has a value of minus 1.7 and y has a value of minus 4.7. Now the required result, we know that it is x plus y. So we will calculate this x plus y for this pair of points and also for this pair of points. This will give us 4.7 plus 1.7, and it will give us 6.4. You can use the calculator. And now for this pair it will be like x plus y, and x has a value of minus 1.7 minus plus minus 4.7, and it will be equal to minus 1.7. and now this minus and plus gonna multiply with each other. That will result us with minus 4.7, and that's equal to minus 6.4. So we came to know that x plus y has two possible values, that is one is minus 6.4 and plus 6.4. Alright.